In 2025, kitchens will continue to blur the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Here are 5 kitchen design ideas that will transform your home in 2025. Smart and connected appliances. Kitchens in 2025 will feature smart and connected appliances that make cooking and cleaning easier than ever before. Imagine a refrigerator that can automatically order groceries for you when you're running low on supplies, or an oven that can communicate with your smartphone to let you know when your food is ready. These types of appliances will not only make cooking and cleaning more convenient, but they'll also help you save time and money. Multifunctional furniture. In 2025, we'll see more multifunctional furniture in the kitchen. Think of it like this. You can have a kitchen island that can expand to provide additional countertop space when needed, or even a dining table that can be lowered to create a makeshift prep area. This type of flexibility will be especially useful in smaller kitchens where space is at a premium. Sustainable materials. There will be a growing emphasis on sustainable and eco-friendly materials in kitchen design. This includes using recycled and recyclable materials, as well as those made from natural and renewable resources. For example, countertops made from recycled glass or cabinets made from bamboo. Not only are these materials better for the environment, but they also often have a unique look that can really make your kitchen stand out. Mixed materiality. Mixing different materials is a great way to add visual interest to your kitchen. In 2025, we'll see more people using a combination of natural and man-made materials such as marble and concrete, glass and steel, or wood and stone. This can create a really unique and personalized look for your kitchen that reflects your individual style. Technology that makes cooking fun. The kitchen of the future will be a place where technology makes cooking fun and engaging. Imagine a stovetop that projects cooking instructions right onto your food, or an interactive kitchen display that shows you step-by-step recipes. These types of technologies will make cooking more accessible and enjoyable for people of all ages and skill levels, incorporating indoor plants. Bringing the outdoors in is a major trend in interior design right now, and it will only become more popular in 2025. Incorporating indoor plants into your kitchen design can help create a sense of calm and tranquility while also adding a touch of nature to your home. Plus, it's a great way to improve air quality and reduce stress. These are just a few of the trends we're seeing in kitchen design right now. What do you think? Which of these ideas would you like to incorporate into your own kitchen? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more great tips and advice. Thanks for watching.